Hi everyone, we're going to venture into the text-to-speech function on the iPad, where your iPad will read pretty much any text that you can put on the screen. Your iPad will read it to you. So first we need to set that up. We're going to start here in Settings and then choose Accessibility over on the left-hand side. Under Accessibility and under Vision, we're going to go to Spoken Content. And what I'd like you to do is, for the most part, you're going to just choose all of the selections that I have. And so could you turn on Speak Selection? And that means when you highlight and select text, it'll speak it for you. Could you turn on Speak Screen, where if you swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of your screen, it will read everything that's on the screen. Then you can decide whether or not the speech controller stays on or off. If you turn it on, it'll pop up over here, and then it'll give you some options when you open it. That will also pop on or turn on when you tell the iPad to read some text. Highlight content is important, so if you could tap on that, turn it on, and here are the settings that I use. I ask it to highlight words and sentences, and I ask it to do the background color instead of underline, and I ask the word color to be yellow and the sentence color to be blue. There is something about the yellow and blue colors that make it easier for kids with dyslexia when they're following along. So if you need to pause now, that's a-okay. Go ahead and pause and copy these settings. When I go back to Spoken, okay, the last couple of things we'll do, we'll first choose a voice. Now, before you came today, you were asked to download the English Alex voice. We asked you to download it beforehand because it's a huge download. It is the voice that is the most natural of all the voices. It actually will take a breath after a sentence or a comma. You can hear Alex's voice once you have it downloaded here.
Hi, my name is Alex.
Now that we've chosen Alex, if we go back, we can decide how quickly we want the speaking rate to be. So
Speak Selection, read selected content.
As I turn that way down.
Speak Selection, read selected content. Speak Selection, read selected content.
I'm going to set it just for me, and I'd like you to do the same. Set it just for you. Now that we have all of the settings set up just for us as far as speech to text, now we're off to a challenge. We want you to screen record on Alex reading the lyrics to your favorite song. So let's first do that. Now, this is not my favorite song, but I thought this would be a fun one to do. Here are the lyrics to Hey Ya by Outkast. For you to screen record it, the first thing you'll need to do is swipe down from the upper right. And so let me show you that with this. You'll go to the upper right black border on your iPad and swipe down. And you should notice something like this. Now, I'm already doing a screen recording, so I won't be able to click this. But what we want you to do is click and hold this button, and then it'll give you the option to turn the microphone on. Make sure you turn it on, and then hit Start Recording. If you do not see this option, call Jason or Jeff over, and we'll help you in settings get it set up. But you'll start recording. And then, if you remember, there are 2 ways to get your speech-to-text reading. You can first take 2 fingers and swipe down from the top black border.
Hey Ya lyrics, Outkast lyrics, Hey Ya, Andre 3000. 1, 2, 3, up, for sticking 2 together, cause we don't know how.
So you can see that's a little bit off. For some reason, it didn't highlight these lyrics. Remember, the other way we can accomplish this is by highlighting some text and just having it speak the highlighted text. So I'll just highlight some of the lyrics and then click Speak.
1, 2, 3, my baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure, but does she really want me but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, because if I'm telling you like that now, thank God for Mom and Dad for sticking 2 together, cause we don't know how. Come on, hey ya, 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 hey ya.
And there you go. So there are a couple of ways for you to be able to have the iPad read some text for you. So you have your challenge. We want you to screen record Alex reading your favorite song's lyrics, and then upload that to the Google Classroom. Thanks.